From this video we are going to start the full course of the Python programming, and yeah, this course is absolutely for all my beginner friends who want to code in Python programming and take enjoy of this programming language. This programming language is absolutely very cool, and this programming language is extensively used in many areas nowadays. It is a very popular language. uh, so let's get started with the Python introduction. So what is Python? Simply, Python is a very popular programming language which is created by the Guru van Rossum, and it is released in 1991. You don't need to remember this. This is for just casually I say this. So where's the use of the Python? It is used for the web development, software development, mathematics, and system scripting. And you can make a games by using a Pygame module, and you can make the GUI by using the Tincture module, and you can do various lot of the things like data science and machine learning. So there's no, I think there's no end. So, and what can Python do? So firstly, Python can be used on a server to create web applications, and Python can be used alongside software to create workflows, and Python can connect to the database system. It can also read and modify files, and Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics, and Python can be used to rapid prototyping or for production ready software development. Why Python only? Now the main question arises here. So because Python works on different platforms. Firstly, Python works on Windows, Macs, and Linux, and Raspberry Pis, and many other ways. So, and second is the Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. Yeah, it is true. And third is that Python has a syntax that allows a developer to write a programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. This is my favorite. This is my favorite because yeah, it is true that Python has this very simple and yeah, has a syntax that allows a developer to write a programs with a fewer lines than other some programming language. Suppose you want to print a hello world program, you need to just write print hello world. You don't need to get include a header flags and then make a function into main like a C and other programming languages. So Python has a syntax which is very easy. So, and the fourth is Python runs on the interpreter system, meaning that the code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick, and Python can be treated in a procedural way, and an object-oriented programming way, and functional way. Uh, so yeah, this is why why we use Python. And let's get forward and write some code. So let's make our first program, which is called print hello world, and when I'm going to run this, it will get printed in terminal. Yeah, hello world, you can see here clearly. So what is this? What is this stuff we are using? We are using the code editor which is called the Visual Studio Code. You can simply download from this Google and any browser. Yeah, and other thing which is important is called the Python. I'm using Python 3.8.1 version, so you can download from the python.org websites. And the one main thing which is so important, and which is during the installation of this Python, when installing this, there is an option called add pip to part. Please check this button. Please check, because if not, then you cannot use Python like me. So you have to check the box which comes and there was written that add pip to part. You have to check this box and click on next and install this and install the Python and enjoy it. So this is the end of video, guys. Hope you understand. Let's wait for the second video. Thank you.